Hi guys, happy Tuesday. Today's focus is twofold. You will be finishing Pleasantville and you will be working on your new project, which is the film mini project, and you're going to be doing a movie review. Instead of doing it on paper, you're going to be using film instead. And you're going to kind of go back to that final exam knowledge that you did when you did your films for the film festival. So make sure you take out this paper, make sure you revisit. All of this that I'm sharing with you should be a review from Friday, but just in case you forgot or you need a refresher, you will be creating a film review. It's 30 points. You will be graded two ways. You will be graded based on the content and what you say about the video. That's where your notes and chart sheet is going to be really helpful because it's going to help you remember specific details and use the film vocab and the cinematography techniques. And then the other part is actually putting your film together so it has craft and it's memorable and fun. You do not want to set this up as just one big straight interview of you sharing your thoughts about the film. You want to try to do some things that make it engaging. And here's some tips and ideas. So if you remember mine, right here, this is me playing with color. I'm playing with some props, and then I do play with sound, and then I also play with some slow mode. I play with text, and then here I played with text, but I also just really thought about how I wanted to frame my shot. And then finally at the end, I did a little bit more parody with the drain right here, and my mug root beer is what I was pouring down the sink. So when you do the craft devices for your own film, I did a lot. There's probably more than you will have to do in yours, but I thought it would be a nice way to kind of make the video fun and engaging. Finally, use this little outline to kind of help you organize and keep your thoughts, and then hopefully you'll be able to produce a video that shares thoughts about the film but also is fun to watch. So today's goal is to work on that. You are reviewing a film and then you have a couple days to get this done. So hopefully you have some time and you're able to get as much done today. Wednesday you will have more workshop, but the reality is you will also be doing a secondary project, which is the storyboard. It's a coloring activity, but those two projects could easily fight each other if you try to do all of it on the same day. So try to be conscientious of your timeline. Thursday, the storyboard will be due and turned into the basket. Mrs. Washak will collect that for me to grade when I get back. And then the other thing due Thursday is the film review mini project due on Google Classroom. It is actually due any time Thursday evening, but you do want to make sure you upload it. I recommend doing it as a YouTube video so that it easily plays. Task number 1, finish the film, finish Pleasantville, finish the chart, discuss what you saw and what you liked. And then task number 2 is to start working on that video clip. And you guys will have to work with each other a little bit if you want to take some shots or if you want to make the videos a little bit more interesting. And then finally, to close, hopefully you learned some new things from video 2. Film 2 Pleasantville, which is more of your dramedy, a little bit of comedy. And then finally, you got 2 projects coming up for Thursday, so make sure you balance your time.